Hello, welcome to the FFX Winter Tool Show. Please have a look now at my good friend Carl as he presents the TS60K track saw from Festool.
Here I have some typical examples of sawing applications of common cuts made in the workshop and on the job site. Plunge cuts in this 54mm thick 60-minute fire rated door. A 45-degree splinter-free bevel cut in 40mm kitchen worktop for producing a waterfall worktop. Straight and precision angle cuts of engineered oak flooring. And here, a rip cut is required in this 50mm thick slab of oak. All these varying applications have one thing in common. They are all able to be produced effortlessly with speed, precision and safety from the benchmarking sawing, the TS60 KE BQ. The TS60K is Festool's first corded plunge saw powered by an EC Tech 2 brushless motor and is packed full of innovation. The advantage of a brushless motor means that not only is it extremely powerful and lightweight, Festool have been able to install its patented Kickback stop technology to the TS60K. Kickback attributes to 62% of accidents caused when using handheld circular saws and results in potential harm or injury to the user, as well as damage to the guide rail and workpiece. At Festool, your safety is our priority. So now, should kickback occur, the Festool technology will stop the saw in the blink of an eye. The combination of kickback stop technology and a huge cutting depth of 62mm means completing the cut for a vision panel in this fire door was both safe and effortless. The kickback stop eliminated the risk of the saw moving backwards when starting the plunge cut, which could have resulted in irreparable damage to the door, and the impressive 62mm depth of cut allowed the cut to be made in one pass. The impressive capacity of the TS60K of up to 62mm at 90 degrees and 45mm at 45 degrees also allowed for the 45-degree mitre cut to be made splinter-free using the FS guide rail, ideal for installing kitchen worktops. Cross-cutting material with the TS60K could not be easier. Whether cutting first fix construction timbers or second fix materials such as skirting or flooring, quick, accurate, splinter-free cutting is easily achieved as the TS60K is also compatible for use with the FSK cross-cutting guide system. The compatibility with both the FS guide rails and the FSK cross-cutting guide rails makes the TS60K the most versatile plunge saw to date. When paired with a wide range of guide rail accessories, you can really appreciate the versatility, adding speed and precision to all your cutting requirements. Of course, the TS60K will deliver the cutting quality you expect from a Festool saw. A full range of blades are available to suit applications cutting wood, high-pressure laminates, non-ferrous metals, plastics and cementitious building panels. In fact, the EC Tech 2 brushless motor boasts an impressive 1500 watts of power that delivers cutting speeds of up to 6,800 RPM, making the saw effortless to use. Quite simply, the TS60K cuts like a hot knife through butter. Watch how effortlessly this rip cut in 50mm oak is made. With Kickback stop technology, speed, power, accuracy, cutting depths of up to 62mm, use on both guide rail systems, dust-free soaring, and the best warranty package in the power tool industry, you can see why the Festool TS 60K is worlds apart from other plunge saws and really is the benchmark in soaring. Thank you for watching Festool TV.